Hello everyone, welcome to Crack SAP video. I hope you have enjoyed my last many videos. Now how we're going to copy and paste, copy the GL account with the other GL account, and I'll show you how it will going to happen and how to quick you can make it a GL account with the similar GL accounts. Now go to FSWGO here, enter. So if you want, I'll take it in a material GL account. So inventory material account. So I want to similar inventory raw material. I'll take it in packing material or import raw material accounts. I'll take it. So here you can select here, and here it's a copy. The same thing, I can make it a copy, and what is the number I can give you? So choose it a last number of this 1-3 series. I'll take it a 1 number, so that's the last number for this one. Click here, enter. This is the balance sheet, and no need to change here because of your number is already allotted. So your description will be mandatorily check it. So what is EXP export material. Export material, I'll make it change in the inventory export material and hit enter. Now it will automatically copy everything. So it is a balanced currency, post without a tax code also. It is an only input tax allowed. So all those things are copied here. So if you want, you can make it any changes. So suppose for example, if I put it this one for A1 for the general post date, and it is 2 for document with physical year. So I'll take it a document number with a physical year, and here it is already Y06 for a material account. It is already assigned because of last GL account copy, and automatically payment only, automatic post automatic only. This is already tick mark because of when your GRIN is creating, automatically it will hit, and when the account posting will be hit, automatically it will take a auto. So that is because of this one. If it is not tick mark, then it will be going for the manual posting also. So all companies required to post. Always it is automatic. They don't want to manual intervention with the business. So it is already updated with all the information, which is GL account, last GL accounts, and now hit say enter here. It will save. So it will ask me to give the accounting group, where it is a group of the accounting group here. Just this is the accounting group. I need to assign here because why accounting group is required. So similar GL accounts. So for example, raw material import or raw material export or import, and if anything. So just because of our raw material is export, I'll take it as an import. Actually, raw material we are going for the import only, and now I'm changing rather than export. Here it is an import, and this is a GL accounting group I need to assign here. So I'll make it now I'll give the one accounting group because of it is required. So I'll hit enter. Now I can save. Now it will going to save here. Check name is alternative languages. Yes, do not read tick mark. This is my import material. So thanks for watching my video, and subscribe, like it, and press button for the alert. Thank you.